made the 5.5-hour trip from the Gold Coast. Well, it took us a little bit longer because we are towing a van. It took us about 6.5 to 7 hours, I think.
We topped the tank up, we did a few toilet breaks for the boys, so it's warranted, it's all good.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially because, what are we doing on Sunday?
We hope Sunday that we're going to see some baby turtles. Woo!
Yes, we are at the end of the hatching season. I'm pretty sure the season is from October till March. So we are at the end of the season and we are super excited to head to Mon Repos. I think is how you say it.
Mon Repos, whatever it is, we'll let you know. But yeah, that's where we're heading.
But we are staying at Bagara Beach Caravan Park, which is right next door to pretty much where we're going to see the turtles hatch. And we are lucky enough on a beachfront site, so we get to wake up to the beach, which is super amazing, which is the actual beach right behind us now. Stunning. We're gonna go to the Bundy factory, we're gonna try some rum, we're gonna try some ginger beer.
Ginger beer coming up.
And I've been told salted caramel was amazing, so I am hopping on that because I'm not a rum drinker.
Very good. We might, it's a fighting trick, right?
Watch out.
People that drink rum tend to have a lot of blues.
Watch out.
Should have brought my cowboy.
Yeah, you'll be kicked out. You'll be in the swag outside.
Anyway, we might try and get some snorkeling too. It's a bit windy today, but
whatever we get up to, we'll show you around and everything that you can do here in Bagara. See you guys.
See you guys. Done like 6k down to the golf club and back.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's like some really cool parks for you boys.
Yeah.
There's a place down the end called the Basin we need to go check out. It's just like a rock pool.
Awesome. Owen is about to do Bagara parkrun, and it literally starts just out the front of the caravan park, which is amazing. Parkrun is 5Ks, it is free, it is also world known, so it is done all over the world. You have to download a barcode from the website and you have to hand that in after your run for them to be able to keep your times and keep a record. There's been so many people that have done like 250 park runs and more, and it is a really good free way. Everyone volunteers. What I mean by free, you don't pay, all the volunteers are there, and it's a really good free way to get some exercise in.
Oh, definitely hotter up here. Go for it.
Sing 1,000 times a day so I could get you higher to the ground. Get you high. Whatever you need to enjoy the way to be inside the moment of the now. A little bit slow.
Hey guys, welcome. Bundaberg must do. We're at the rum factory. We're not doing the tour today. We're going to go down to the ginger beer factory and do that. Let's go and see if we can get the boys a few little samplers and see what the afternoon's like.
The boys or you?
You get them on it.
Now you get yours and I get mine.
So we're at the Bundaberg rum factory and you can actually make your own rum. It is $250. You get 2 bottles of your blended rum that you make with your name on it. You get also a tour and you get to taste 2 top shelf rums as well.
So, sold out of salted caramel.
Sold out of salted caramel, absolutely spewing. So we asked the lady here and she said that coffee and chocolate is their next biggest seller. So we're gonna get that, but probably gonna order online the salted caramel.
Hey guys, we're at Bundaberg Ginger Beer Factory and we're going to taste some ginger beer and have a tour. Let's go. Is that good?
Yes, mate, you did awesome. I don't like ginger beer, but let's go give it a crack.
So with our entry into the tour, you get a 6-pack at the end of whatever flavours you want, mixed 6-pack. They're over there on the shelf, I might show you. $15 an adult, $5 a kid. Adults get the 6-pack at the end, which is like pretty much the cost of the tour anyway. Yeah, happy days.
Can I have mine, please? You're not stealing mine.
Now you get yours
Ooh, I do. I like that one. That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was it pineapple and coconut?
Yeah.
It's their version of a non-alcoholic pina colada.
Alright,
We'll
let's
see.
see.
I feel like I'm on a desert island.
Spiced ginger beer. Christmas in a cup apparently. Let's see.
Fail.
Very cinnamony.
I got this one choice.
In 1960, this brewing company was started. It was called Estella Brewery. In 1968, the gentleman who started it found out that he inherited a huge inheritance from a family member in the UK, so then he sold it to another family who then took over. And then I think it was in 1986, I think it was, they then renamed it to the Bundaberg ginger beer. This is how you skateboard.
One. 2. 9. One more.
Oh, Zed!
Yeah.
Pretty sure I got the raw end of the deal here. I get to run and film. I get to skateboard and bike ride.
So we are at Tina Berries, but strawberry season doesn't start till June and then goes to October, so we're a little bit early, but we've been told that the ice cream here is epic, so these guys are going to go to run.
And a bit of Jayco.
Oh yeah, giant Jenga.
Ready?
We read the reviews online and everyone says that this has the best ice cream ever, so I can't have it, but you guys are gonna.
We're gonna have a crack at it. So they do 3 flavours. There's strawberry, passion fruit and mango. Got a couple of them coming. We've got one of each flavour actually, so we'll see what's the best. It's pretty good. It's better. It's better than pretty good. It's awesome.
What is wrong?
It's not a brain freeze, it's cold throat.
Okay, we just visited Tina Berries. It is open 7 days a week from 9 till 4, I'm pretty sure.
5:30.
5:30, my bad. And Owen seriously rates it. He said he would come back just for the ice
I
cream.
feel like it's underrated. It's got to be one of the best spots in Bundy. Maybe because they just do ice cream. It doesn't get the rap it should or something. But
So they do the strawberries too, but it's, as you can see behind me, not strawberry season. We're at Elliott Heads. We hashtagged all the areas here, and when we searched Bagara, we found this awesome rock pool, and it was in Elliott Heads. So we've driven here, we've asked the lifeguards, and now we're on our way all the way out there to go and find the rock pool.
So I'm not really into kite surfing, but if I was, this seems to be the place to be. There's a inlet here at Elliott Heads, and the wind is howling, and I don't know, just had a glance, I can see nearly 10 kite surfers already. So anyway, if that's your thing, this is the place to be. Sorry, rock pool search isn't going that great. We found some pools, we've had a little crack at getting a few pics, but definitely not going to be the dream shots Erina had in mind. But the tide's about to hit high tide, so yeah, it probably won't be till the tide goes out a bit and they'll reveal themselves. Good spot all around. Elliott Heads winning.
Who goes there?
Hello.
So we can't have any,
Lights over 100 lumens.
so this is why the entire place
No street lights.
is dark. There is no street lights, no nothing, because you have to make sure the turtles go in the right direction.
I wanna sing 1,000 times a day so I can.
Been a good boy this week. Thanks, buddy. Just did your mum.
Ooh!
She winked at me. Congratulations on your spelling.
You have to invite you and do everyone else's but mine.
Yeah, I knew
Oh shit! Thank up.
There's turtles on the beach and we're heading down.
2 groups have already been down. We're group 3 and we're out to see them. So excited.
And I'm reaching for that place. Gonna prove it on my mind and shine away.
Are their shells hard now?
The top part is pretty hard, the underside's a little softer, so when they're moving around like that I can feel those muscles underneath. Underneath is also, you can see it's almost like a little belly button. See the little round part? That's where they attach to the yolk sac, so they take the food in that darker part in the middle, so that's pretty much like a human belly button.
Oh my goodness me, they are adorable. We just did the turtle encounter with Mon Repos Turtle Centre in the conservation area here at Bagara. Now it was $33.55 for a family of 4, so 2 adults, 2 kids, and anyone under 4 I think is free. Now we did not get a lot of footage at all because you're actually not allowed to use lights because the turtles follow the light of the ocean so they know where to go. But we got a call, I think we're in groups, so the earlier you book, the more chance you are of seeing them. So the first group actually went out at 7, second group went at 8, we were group 3 and we went out at 8:45. It was a lot earlier than what we thought, hey?
Yeah, it was good because the time slot is between 7 and 2 they close.
Yeah.
But you don't even know if you're going to actually get to see them hatch or not. So we're very lucky we did get to see them hatch. We were out there for like an hour. Of course we took a torch. Here's a hint, take a torch because...
Life-changing is amazing. Absolutely
you
amazing.
then get to be in the convoy and shine the torch down as they go into the water.
They crawled over your feet and tickled your feet and then went to the next light, and everyone else had to wait on the sides that didn't have a light and just kind of watch. But prior to that, there's the nest, so they obviously find ones that are starting to hatch. They've actually been in there for 3 days until they make their way out of the sand. And that's where we get to see them, and they get to see them and put them in this little area before they release them. Now there's anywhere between 80 and 120 in each.
The nest, in that nest anyway.
And we got 95. They just kept coming. It was amazing. They were loggerhead turtles too, so 95 loggerhead turtles. 50% of the loggerhead's population is done here at Bagara.
Percent of the world population nests here at Bagara.
That's right. Yeah, that's just...
And if you're here earlier in the year and it's not hatching season, then it's nesting season. So you get to see the big dogs come up, lay their eggs and experience that, which is just unbelievable. You
should just come and do it yourself. And if you do or have done it, let us know in the comments below if you've done it and what you thought about it, or if you want to do it, or if you have any questions, we'd love to help you out.
Yeah, we'll be doing it again.
Absolutely.
Well, there it is, guys. Couple of big days staying at Bagara. It's pretty much Bundaberg. We did the Bundy Rum Factory, we did the Ginger Beer Factory, we did Tina Berry's ice cream joint, we got down to Elliott Heads, that was a cracker as well, Bagara parkrun, all I don't know, 10 out of 10. Really loved it, the park was good. And the turtles, sorry.
The main attraction.
I forgot about the turtles, the whole reason we went there. Mon Repos, turtle encounters.
We will be coming back to do it again.
100%.
Especially for $34 for a family of 4.
Yeah, unbeatable.
Can't beat it. Amazing.
All right, back to the Gold Coast for us. Back into it. See you in the next one.
See you guys.
If you like Mummy's videos, hit like and subscribe and we'll make more.
Whatever you need.